Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and y'all, I got my first Valentine's Day card. Oh my goodness, I did. I got my first Valentine's Day card. It's from Unboxing with Wendy Jean. Oh, I love Wendy Jean. She is so sweet. She's such a sweet soul. She's one of those people you can just look at and know that she is a sweethearted, sweet soul of a person. And I can't show you the front because of all the addresses and stuff, but there are super cute stickers on there. Let's open it up because I can't wait. I want to see what she sent me. So sweet. I wish I had the time to do this myself. I didn't even get Christmas cards sent out this year because everything going on. But so sweet. Thank you so much, Wendy. A wish for you on Valentine's Day. A heart that's happy, light, and free. Some sweetness mixed in naturally. Oh, there's little hearts falling out. I love this heart confetti. It is so cute. I mean, look what it does when it sticks to the cards. It just makes it so cute. It says, a mood that's light and filled with love and every sweet thing you're dreaming of. Happy Valentine's Day. Blessings, Wendy Jean. So sweet. Thank you so much, Wendy Jean. I appreciate it so much. One of these days, you and me are going to meet. We're going to like have to meet up halfway because we're closer than anybody else I know, I think. But, y'all go out, check out her channel. I will put a link on a card above, and I'll put her link below so that you can click on her name and go check out her channel. She does fun stuff. As a matter of fact, I watched a video of hers this morning. What was it? Lots going on since then. Oh, she was talking about a crossbody bag that she had gotten from the Glossy Box. So yeah, go check her out. She's real fun, real sweet. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.